What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to continue working on our Ford Mustang Gt. As you know, in previous video we painted bumper cover, trunk lid and some other parts. In this video we are just continue from there. So I'm going to start with unwrapping the car and then put the trunk lid back into the car, and also going to assemble the bumper cover and then we're going to install it back to the car. So let's start with the unwrapping the car. Hey guys, I'm finally able to install bumper and the trunk lid on the car. Next step will be to work on this area. We did the body work here before. There are some pinhole I need to fix. So I'm going to put some body filler again here to fix those pinhole, which will be glazed body. And then I'm going to sand it, reprime it. While it dry, I'm going to remove the door handle, mirror and then weather stripping here. After it's dry and everything is ready, we're going to start with the wet sanding. We have to blend this area, so I'm going to wet sand the whole door panel, our quarter panel. Also we have to blend the trunk lid and the bumper because I have to buy a new paint. I was run out the paint during the last video. So we're going to blend the bumper and the trunk lid over here, and that same thing on the other side. So let's start working on this area now. So guys, on the wheel well, I applied 3M glazing and spot putty to fill out our all pinholes, and then I use 180 grit sandpaper, sand it out to make it smooth, and then I use 320 grit sandpaper to make it more smooth so that our primer can lay better. And after that I applied 2 coat of the primer. Now it's drying, so let's work on our door. Hey guys, I have removed door handle, mirror and all the trim pieces from the door. So now it's ready for wet sanding. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the water and 600 grit sandpaper, and then going to sand all the panel which I'm going to paint with the 600 grit sandpaper, and the rest of the panel which we are going to blend like door and the other side quarter panel, that's going to be sanded with the 800 to 1000 grit sandpaper. So let's start wet sanding over this quarter panel. So guys, wet sanding of all the panel is complete now. So next step will be masking of the car. I will start with the bumper, then we will mask off whichever area we need, and then we will go from there. So let's start with the wiping all the panels with the rag so it's dry and clean, and then we will start masking off all the panels. Okay guys, our car is completely masked off. Our spoiler is ready for paint. So what I'm going to do is put some wax and grease remover, remove everything from the panels to make it ready for paint, and then we will spray some sealer on the black panel and wherever is the primer is, and then after that base coat and clear coat, and we will see the final product. So guys, our paint job is finally complete. I let it dry overnight. It looks very good. Only thing I have to do is sand certain blend spot and buff it, which will be in next video. So in next video, we are going to start with the assembling the car. We're going to put the glass back, install both glasses, install side skirt, put all the carpet inside the car, put the back seat, everything back, and then our car will be complete. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button below and please hit the subscribe to support our channel and not miss out our new content of Mustang GT and any other videos. See you next time.